Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to hide duplicates in Excel list for two way. Okay, I apply this first way. Select full text or table. Now go to data tab. Select remove duplicates. Select all or you select column. Now click OK. Now see these 5 duplicate values found and remove 4 unique values remain. Okay, and I apply to a select full table, go to Tools team and see this find duplicates. Click here, select hide duplicates. Okay, now click OK. Processing data found and hide 5 duplicates. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.